exciting, contemporary, adventurous, luxurious. Those are all words used to describe the new Azimut 53 Fly. I'm Brian Herman with MarineMax. We're at the Pompano Yacht Center today, and we're going to walk you through the Azimut 53 Fly. Welcome aboard. With an exterior designed by Alberto Mancini, an interior designed by Achille Salvani, you'll see on the new Azimut 53 Fly, it is super contemporary, but yet luxurious and enjoyable to use with your family. Let's take a look around. We're on the flybridge of the Azimut 53 Fly, and you'll see it's very large. For a 53-foot yacht, you got a high-low table, Garmin electronics, Starlink, carbon fiber, hardtop. The boat is just super contemporary and something you're going to enjoy with your family. The boat is equipped with the Volvo 950 IPS drive. That's going to give you less sound, less vibration, around 30% less fuel. And what that really means to you is that your family is going to be able to spend some quality focused time enjoying the boat with you. I'm Brian Herman with MarineMax, the Pompano Yacht Center. We look forward to seeing you out on the water.